Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on the Viewer Dogs World. Today we got my man GS in the building with another bad creation. My man is steady doing the thing. Now, the name of the watch face that we're about to check out is called GS Four Seasons. Now, this one is nice. So sit back and relax because he packs a lot of features and functions in here that makes the price worthwhile, okay? So let's check this watch face out. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice look, nice black background. You're going to get lit up digital time. You're going to be able to customize it too as well. We'll show you that in a second. But for right now, let's dive off into these settings and see what this watch face is capable of. Now, first off, before we go there, you're going to get your digital time. You're going to get your date. You're going to get your step status info down at the bottom, battery info as well. Now, I'm going to tap right here. Now here are shortcuts or what you may call favorites. I got my music player, my phone, messages, gallery. Now if you want to change those, just tap right here. You can make music right there. If you want to tap right here, you can go in and you can change it to Bixby. For those of you all who like Bixby. And then you can change it to altimeter. So whatever you want to change this to, you can. Now I like this. It's out of the way, but whenever you're ready for it, there it is. Now let's go off into the menu. Now right here, you're going to be able to go off into some settings to tweak this watch face to your liking. So I like what my man brought to the table. And right at the top, right, you got 12 hours, which is me. I love 12-hour time. But if you want it to be 24 hours, you can. And if you want date, month, so far as the information down at the bottom, you can tap here, you can have month, date, depending on what you want. I like that a little bit better. The AOD mode, you're going to be able to customize the color. You get 4 in all, so if you want it to be red, you can have it to be red, or you can have it white. That would be up to you. And when you finish, just bag out. Now, I like that it gives you so many so far as the font. You got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to leave it on 1. I thought that looks pretty cool. And also, I can color it. So if I want to color it and change it, I can. That would be totally up to you. Now, let's get back out of this one. Now, if you want to shade it, right, just like what I got here, you can. And depending on the transparency, you can make it however you see fit, right? So let's leave a little transparency. I want to see the background a little bit. I love water. But you can also change the color too as well. So if you want it to be green, yellow, orange, burnt orange, that would be up to you. Just tap at the top and we get back out of here. So when you're done, right, you can go out, or if you don't want it anymore, you could take it right out of there just like that, which I thought was pretty cool. So you got options with this watch face, right? So now we want to bag out of this because we finished with that one. Now, if I want to, this is my heart rate intervals. I can set those to have I see fit for them to let me know how my heart rate is doing, always or never. You don't have to do it at all. So let's go down to the bottom. Now here's where the fun begins. Now this is spring, right? Now once I tap on spring, this is what I got. I like this look. I thought it was pretty cool, but let's go back in because we want to change some things. So if I want to change the background, and this is all spring, these are nice. Nice colorful backgrounds. Look at that one. That was cool. I like that one. So you can cycle through till you get to the one you want. I'm going to go back because I really like this one. So I'm going to leave it there. And let's go back in. Now let's check out summer because that was spring. And we want to change the background. You got many to choose from. Just wanted to cycle through, give you an idea of what you're going to be in for. This is not bad, but we got to check them all out, right? Let's check out autumn, which is my favorite time of the year, besides summer. Now, these are all fall things that you could set this to, and they all look beautiful. GS got down. I don't know where he found these, but he did a good job adding them in. That's nice. I can leave it there if I want to. Let's go back out because now we got to check out winter. So with winter, this is what you're going to get. So when that time comes, you got many different watch faces in one. which is super awesome. So the offerings are worth it, to me, in my opinion. But you hit me in the comment section down below and let me know what you thought of these watch faces within a watch face. All right, let's go back out and down at the bottom. So if I want to, I can have this where I can have it select auto. So far as the background is concerned, I hit the developer. I was trying to find out what that was. When he hits me back and he let me know, I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. But what do you think, people? I thought the developer got down on this one. I got to give him 5 thumbs up in the door. All right, that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for sitting through it. I know it was lengthy, but it was definitely worth it. And hit the like button on the way out. Help the channel out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.